you can use come and a preposition to form a phrasal verb. There are many phrasal verbs that begin with come and then a preposition. In this video, I'll show you some examples. Come back means to return. Come in is to enter. Come out is when something is introduced or something is new. Come up is used when you expect something, but you can also use this when something is not expected. If you suddenly feel sick, then you might be coming down with, and then some type of a sickness. And you can use come over in the same way that you use the word visit. But it has to go this way. When somebody comes over, they come to the place where you live. Come on is used as a type of interjection when expressing anger or unhappiness. When a situation is not what you expected, then you might simply say, come on. In each of these, remember that come is a very idiomatic verb and can change in many different ways. Come, came, come. The simple form is the same as the past participle, and the past tense is came. Here's a command, come in. This is very similar to the word enter. If I want you to enter a place, all I need to say is come in. She came in. This is in the past tense. She entered. She came in. In the present continuous tense, she is or she's coming in. This could indicate that a person is entering a place, but it can also be used when a person makes a visit. And they have come in. Here is the present perfect tense. We're using the past participle. If we make this negative, they haven't come in yet. It sounds as though a person has not entered or a person has not arrived. They haven't come in yet. You can use this for a person who's expected to arrive by plane. Come back means to return. What time are you coming back? Is the same as what time are you returning? So when a person leaves, he or she will possibly come back or return. You can also use come back for fashion. If it's a particular style of clothing, whatever that is, we would put that here, is coming back. This is the fashion style. Something is coming back. She's making a comeback. This is a situation in which the person is returning to some previous situation, usually a situation in which the person did very well. You can use this for sports, competitive sports. It's also used for business. It could be the person or the business itself makes a comeback. Or it could be used in politics. A person leaves politics and then comes back and makes a comeback. Use come out when introducing something or a person. Something is new. For example, there is a new movie coming out this weekend. It's new. It's coming out. Use come and up when you expect something, or it's possible that you don't expect something to happen, but it happens anyway. I have a test coming up next week. The expectation is that there will be a test. The test is coming up. Sometimes come up is used when something is not expected. So it's to not expect something. It's when there's some sort of a surprise. For example, I'm sorry I couldn't attend the, and then here's some sort of event. I'm sorry I couldn't attend the meeting or the party. And here's the reason. Something came up. This is something that was unexpected. It was a surprise. But because it came up, the person here could not go to that meeting. This is especially useful for something that you had scheduled, but then there was a conflict of some sort, something, whatever this is the conflict, and this prevented a person from going to the meeting, the party, the event. Use come down with in reference to some kind of a sickness. This is usually a mild sickness, like a cold or the flu. I think I'm coming down with the flu. I think I'm coming down with a cold. It's usually something that's relatively mild. It could also be a headache. I think I'm coming down with a headache. What time are they going to come over? This is the same thing as saying, what time are they going to visit? Or if I ask you to come to my house, then here's the question. Do you want to come over? Do you want to visit? Do you want to come to my house? Do you want to come over? This is an invitation to visit. All of these situations are negative. She's not coming over. She's not visiting. He can't come over. He can't visit. They never came over. They never visited. In all of these situations, there was an expectation for a visit, but the person never visited. Come on. Come on. And whatever the situation is, you're indicating that you're unhappy or you're mad. Come on. I just bought, come on. I just bought this and it doesn't work. Or you could say, come on. This is not fair. You're unhappy about the fairness of a situation. You can't do this. This is a very powerful way to say that you really feel the unfairness of a situation.